Stitch number 1 on the Pfaff Ambition Essential sewing machine is a triple straight stitch. I love using this when I am wanting a thicker looking stitch. I don't want to have to put on thicker thread, or I want something that has a little give because it is actually sewing 2 stitches forward and 1 stitch back with this particular stitch. You'll notice that the settings come up at 3 millimeters long because the stitch is meant to be a little bit longer. You can see it here. You will find that the fabric actually stretches, and that's why I folded this on the diagonal so you can actually see what it's doing there. I love the fact that it looks professional because it goes back in the exact same hole that it stitches. And if I ever want top stitching to be in a funky color like neon green, you will find neon green in your sewing machine spool area, and all of a sudden you've got a really heavy version of that stitch. So stitch number 1, and that is with the dual feed foot and just your regular, your dual feed engaged and just your regular 0 foot put on. So try out all the different stitches, sew them out so you can see that they really do look different and not just look like a straight stitch up on your screen.